Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is James. I'm over here by QT truck stop this afternoon. If you never saw my video before, please like, share, and subscribe. We got a little crowd out here this afternoon. You can see where I'm at over here. Quite a few people coming in and out over here today. I'm over here at the truck stop this afternoon, and I'm chilling out right here right now. We got quite a few little crowd coming in here this afternoon. You can see where I'm at. Got quite a few people here this afternoon. We got a who's on the drill over here. Got some hot dogs, roller dogs, and all kind of food. It's kind of busy in here today. It's kind of busy. We got some hot dogs. We got the roller dogs there. Still kind of busy in here today. If you never saw my video before, please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, you done been in here before. You can see that. I'm going back on the outside out here. Might have a few trucks out here today. I don't think that might be too many out here. Yeah, you got a few trucks back there. You have a few trucks. I'm over here by QT truck stop. Interstate right over there. So good afternoon, everyone. My name is James. I'm over here by QT truck stop. If you never saw my video, please like, share, and subscribe. You got a water tap over there. A few cars coming through. Not that many. There's a few. I decided to do a video while I'm up here this afternoon. So I hope everybody having a blessed day. You can see over there. A lot of people out here today. Just driving through. So I'm just out here today, just chilling out. Ain't got too much to do today. It's at the truck stop right now. You can see up there, QT truck stop. So everybody, my name is James. I thank everybody for watching my video. If you never saw my video before, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm over at QT truck stop. But right now, I'm just stopping here to see what they have in here. And, you know, a lot of people come through here. to stop through here. So everybody have a blessed day. And you can see it's hot out here today. It's another hot day. Got quite a few people coming in.